Hi, I'm Vanessa, and today I want to tell you 3 mistakes you're making in your videos right now. First, you don't greet with a hand gesture. When we're not in person, we don't know if we're friend or foe. It's super important in the first few seconds of your video to greet with some kind of a hand gesture. It disengages that fight or flight part of our brain and makes you look more likable and friendly. So, hey, or good morning, or nice to see you. 2, you are too close to your camera. The ideal distance between you and your camera is 18 inches to 3 feet. So right now, I want you to measure the distance between your nose and your camera. I know it sounds weird, and make sure you are 18 inches to 3 feet away. That's the sweet spot for being able to communicate. Third, you don't look charismatic on mute. Most people turn off all their charisma the moment they go on mute. And on most video calls, meetings, presentations, you're sitting and listening on mute. You can be super charismatic even when you're on mute. It looks like this. We love what are called vocal affirmations, even on mute. You can see that I'm delighted, intrigued, surprised, excited. Be sure to show this to the speaker. Do this with nodding, do this with smiling, do this with a, or a, or whatever feels natural to you. The point here is that even when you're on mute, people still see you and you can still be charismatic. I hope you're gonna go fix these 3 mistakes. I have a free training for you if you like this. It's called How to Thrive on Video and in a Remote Workplace. I have tips on how to look better on camera, how to do really well in virtual meetings, and how to connect with colleagues even if you're virtual. Go check it out. It's a free 60-minute training and I would love for you to watch it.